The best online broker and trading platform are February 2026. The best online broker provides their customers with sophisticated trading tools, strong research amenities, real-time portfolio management data that help you make tax efficient decision and educational resources to help you act confidently in moments of opportunity, strong customer support after when things go wrong, and more, all with a competitive and transparent fee structure. After ending of hours, comprehensive research data analysis and live broker platform demos, Fidelity Investments focus to be on the best overall online broker platform for investors due to its low fees, expensive products offering wide-ranging full services featuring and so much more. Uh, Fidelity is just one of the 27 online brokers that we have rated based on 92 weighted criteria, including available assets, account services, use experience, and additional features. For the fourth consecutive year, Fedi region Rainham Spurium is the bringing critical full services brokerage features, sophisticated tools and low fees to wide range of the trading and the investors across continually enhanced platform. Fidelity is one of our top broker of ETFs because of rich exchange trading fund and focus educational content and research tools, expensive ETF offering and fractional ETF trading. While it is a repeat winner is a category having earned the top spot for Charles such as the 2023. Best for low cost. Fidelity has long been as industry leading when it's come to a lowering fees and its transparent and compelling fee schedule is the reason why for the fourth year running it's win for low cost. Best of the cash managements. Finding the best brokerage account is cash management is not just about earning the highest interest rate possible. It also seamless integration with the essentials, no fee banking features and the insurance. In these areas, Fidelity cash management is offering unmatched and it's come with a solid passives, earning a power of invested cash along with the rain purisables access to global network to ATMs. No payment of the order flow makes for the excellent order execution. Only three digital coins available for trading. Strong portfolio and issues and account features. Superior minimum balance required for some index trading. Superior trading platform for all type of investor. Multiple platforms may be required to access all tools. Top tier educational content screening tools and the research capabilities. FedEx insurance up to $5 million on uninvested cash. Overview is an industry of the innovators, companions, competing of the intentionalities of incredibly diverse universe of the trading and the investor finally deliver the most rounded product offering to suit of needs of nearly every advisors. Headquarters is Boston. Fidelity stored history in began in 1946. In October 2025 is a company of hold $6.4 trillion discretionary assets and the ranking among the top brokerage firm of the term of assets under management.